Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, a factory produces 805 pens every month. It sends 168 pens to the town market, 138 pens to the markets in other states, and 173 to the markets in other country. How many pens are left in the factory? Total number of pens produces by a factory or in a factory are 805 pens. Okay, then number of pens sends to town market are 168 pens. Then number of pens sends to the market in other states are 138, and number of pens sends to the markets in other countries are 173. Okay, so total number of pens sends are 168 plus 138 plus 173. So it is 479 pens which are sends total. Okay, so number of pens left in a factory are total number of pens, that is 805, minus number of pens sent, that is 479. So it is 326. So our correct option is option D.